back at the E550, we're gonna change these two hoses because this one is broken, and since we're at it, we're gonna change the air filters. So hopefully this is not gonna take long. It's late, so I'm gonna remove the existing hoses, and this one is coming apart. Pull this out. There we go. One to the front. And the other side. Gonna do the same on this one. Half on this one. Just push and clip this one. And the one on the bottom pretty much comes off by itself. Same thing. So what's up? This just pull up, and there we go. It clips here, here, and here. So it's supposed to be a little bit harder when you put it out. It has these two clips. This is only a guide. So this one, right for now, and this one. That's the same thing to pressure, as far as I remember. Yeah, there you go. Just needed some finagle. There we go. Crank unhook it from here. That gets loose. You can leave it hanging. It's all fine. And there is a metal retainer on the back. You just push it back, and this comes off like this. That's your engine. Alright, so we flip this guy over, then we go to these safety Torx. Good. Alright. Alright, so we just free up these screws. I think these are longer than life. There we go. Air filters. Bugs and all. This one is not bad though. Well. Only the air compressor was working. It is working. You just don't have the gun for it. Yeah, just go ahead and wipe it with some. We're gonna blow it in a minute. And by the way, so far with this we use a Torx 25. That's the only tool we're gonna need. And yet again, this one looks a little bit worse though, but still fairly decent. Time to change though. Yeah, not bad. Not too bad. This out, when you take the covers out, you expose the air intake. So you want to cover it. I mean, just put a glove, that's fine.
Throttle body, right?
Yes, that's a throttle body, yeah. So now we can just blow everything out. With the old and with the new one. That's all you have to do. Now it's stuck in there. Apparently, yep. This one should be fun. So, we'll make it fun.
You want to take it out?
Yep. Good. Yeah, these screws are plastic, screwing on plastic. So, very little torque. Non-torque.
Bless you.
Thank you. Alright, there we go. Now, the most important thing when fitting this back is making sure that this ring fits perfectly in there, and then everything else will fit in place. So, this is your reference. So, you can just put your fingers around it, make sure it goes where it should be. There we go. Perfect fit. Perfect fit. Done. Now we reconnect this hose. This is the secondary air pump. I don't really know what this does, but I know what. So that's done. Now I think we can fit this guy. We need to fit this guy. Let's do this guy. So if we can do the new ones. Where are the new ones at? And for the wrecker, this is engine M273, which is the VA version. Apparently they don't make these hoses anymore for it. These are the ones for the 272, which is the 6 cylinders, but everybody says that they are interchangeable, so we're just gonna find out right now. And the portion that connects there seems right on, and these I'm gonna tell you, this is a little tight, at least tighter than the other one when it comes to clearances, but I think it fits. They don't make the other one anymore. You can make the 272 work. So I guess then this is a good for a 272 and 273. Amazon special, what, 20, 25, 35 bucks? Amazon?
Yep.
Awesome sauce.
That's the right way, right?
I don't think they can go any other way. If we put them, like, if we were to put this one on the other side, I think.
Yeah, I think I'm seeing enough.
No, it's all this stuff on the way. So, yeah, they are a little tight. I mean, maybe because they're brand new and they're just, you know, firm. But yeah, 276 and 272 and 273. I went to another generation. They do fit in the W212. That makes sense. So 350s, 550s, they use the same hoses. They have different engines, but they use the same hoses. So $35, perfect. Just because to put this guy back, pretty much same story but backwards. Just put it there, clip, push down, and that's it. I mean, this really has no secret. No. Okay, air filters and air hoses or whatever the name are, brand new, installed in about half an hour, 45 minutes. So all filters and all hoses, 25 minutes into it, and another service done.